Welcome. If you want to improve your English listening and speaking, you are in the right place. My name is Ayesa. I'm your English guide, and I will speak clearly so you can follow every word.
And I'm Rafi. I'll listen, repeat, and learn with you, like a beginner who wants to grow every single day.
In this video, you will learn 30 morning routine sentences in English in a real conversation style, and every sentence will be repeated twice so you remember them easily and use them in your real life. Don't be afraid to speak. Don't worry about mistakes. Every day you show up is progress. If you stay with us till the end, you will finish this video knowing how to start your day in English with confidence.
Let's do this together. You are not alone. We are learning with you.
Okay, let's begin your English morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, I stretch my body. I stretch my body.
Do you check your phone first?
No, I don't check my phone. I don't check my phone.
What do you do first?
I make my bed. I make my bed.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face. Yes, I wash my face.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I take a shower. Yes, I take a shower.
How do you feel after a shower?
I feel fresh and awake. I feel fresh and awake.
Do you get dressed?
Yes, I get dressed. Yes, I get dressed.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water. Yes, I drink a glass of water.
Do you make breakfast?
Yes, I make breakfast. Yes, I make breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning.
Do you check social media?
Sometimes I check social media. Sometimes I check social media.
Do you reply to messages?
Yes, I reply to messages. Yes, I reply to messages.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan my day. Yes, I plan my day.
Do you write a to-do list?
Yes, I write a to-do list. Yes, I write a to-do list.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I exercise. Sometimes I exercise.
Do you meditate?
Yes, I meditate for 5 minutes. Yes, I meditate for 5 minutes.
Do you read anything?
Yes, I read a few pages. Yes, I read a few pages.
Do you watch the news?
No, I don't watch the news. No, I don't watch the news.
Do you talk to your family?
Yes, I talk to my family. Yes, I talk to my family.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room. Yes, I clean my room.
Do you open the windows?
Yes, I open the windows. Yes, I open the windows.
Do you set up your workspace?
Yes, I set up my workspace. Yes, I set up my workspace.
Do you feel ready for the day?
Yes, I feel ready. Yes, I feel ready.
Do you feel positive?
Yes, I feel positive. Yes, I feel positive.
Do you believe it will be a good day?
Yes, I believe it will be a good day. It will be a good day.
Do you take a deep breath?
Yes, I take a deep breath. Yes, I take a deep breath.
What's your final step?
I smile and start my day. I smile and start my day.
Save this video and come back tomorrow. Your English grows a little more every day.
See you tomorrow. We learn together.